that romance. Money and I bring with anything to do. You could have room on one can. On them got tam him. Nami suffer marry you. Nami go suffer bring food to the table. Nami go do everything for you. Come on, New Year. It's a mom and it's a mom and Maggi.
You was living with him and she back them. Oh, he was in what question 1 year. 1 year and better. Yes, Zorianta, Zorimo. And it was no more.
It's about the day come well and name of one. It's about the day come gives you was dog and name. Tata about the day to give the crazy make at your mother. Mother, we can take a joke and dinner. Madigo, we are number 1. You was able to take care of hope before any other channel was up with you. I want the bull. Hey, give Bruno Brum. I'm the bull. He will the bull. He will head of the house. I'm learning her head. He will head up. Charity begin at home. Any charity that does not begin at home is charityless. You tata. Oh, any man that cannot take care of his family is worse than fidelity as infidelity back. Is worse than infidel. Ega infidelity. Makachile call Higa. Look at me. Come when look every year. I'm going to celebrate. Last year, I'm going to go spend the as long as phone last year. So one was China go one at the leader. As long as new bride, get lessons. Pray through not get lessons. And that's a letter ram. I go and walk a town by the demo. A grand knocker, Kazalam dross. Some Jichili Aquamelu. I'm him that I'm through the dross. He has already drossed. He repaying Gahepo who dross go. I don't want to get a sampram, Gigiana, come on, Asamranam, Mbamo Kabe. I believe I say on that village to know behind to below. I've been a marriage, I didn't see not some work to take care of family. Marriage is for betterment for two. Yeah, we wine and work at Tikotaka, how one. Give me a man go. It's about the day go take a gap on Hogan. Will I give what I do not have? It is only a foolish man that gives what he don't have because he wants to please a woman. Any man that gives what he do not have in quantum to a woman because he wants to get a woman's heart, that man is not what to be called a man. He's a foolish man. Even any woman that supports a man who goes after stealing, doing some negative things to please her, that woman is not supposed to be called. Has a gift from me to me. Has a gift from me to me, my new baby. Has a gift from me to me. Has a window dog. Mina woman I have said it to. That bet them. Give me him got you na father. I'm a grandfather. See a lot of so you do what call email. Father was when the kid to do nonsense. I won't know a woman why you know Pega Hana Church. A sound brain, they will brainwash you people. You will start misbehaving, start living like a fool. A home built under the rock or built on top of the rock, which is Jesus Christ, is not supposed to be shaking like this. Buy me a gift. Only but not a bottle of Coke. Present, a present is always it is there to mellow a heart. I won't say wow now I go hot. If I shout wow on your name, is it a crime? Wow! Give I open the draws to motion rap where February some I savage you with my love. Ozole we were too much. That be them. Don't worry. You got to remember Kusumuzo take everyone will go there. Mribra. Oh, what on me? God is what the gift, natural material gift. You know, natural, or believe where Kegre will get a quantum. Why you were too much? It's about 2025. Oh, Simon, I'm last young guy holding hot job. 4 minutes ago. Why the Muzo of them will go? I see that I don't make him here. I got him. I got him Paris. I see one of the last house, but I made him. Some happy body door to miss me. It's about them, Madame can make some you. I didn't think I can brugnish. Impost for them. Now, Petty got him off for them. I don't want to get out. Okay, man, not from our Hunantago. We didn't. All right, Happy New Year, guys. We are here again. We have started this year want to encourage everybody. Anything about marriage is supposed to be vice versa.
Yes.
Yeah, it has really caused a lot of problems in families, and we don't just do it because we want to make you laugh, but we are trying to pass a message. So if you have not been doing it, start from today. So please, you can change the narrative. Start celebrating your wives. Start celebrating your. There are some husbands that for one day, you may be here for 20 years. They have not for one day Ganima have got a spoon on their special day, whether anniversary, birthday. They are always interested in business. It is not good. Marriage has iron sharpened iron. By the time you start doing this, you will see, oh God, now a woman that is crafty, somebody who is nothing to talk home about or nothing to write home about. Her mind will be mellow. Obedi can age and onye nkenga. That is her weak point. Weak to you. Why can need swimming pool. Ghana, Agram na hotel bishop also. Karon ka hotel hu swimming pool dey sugar. Here go water sign here water hu yamure. You grave up nike. Gagi gugi na no dia. Mo mo bia ti dem no. Let's go and mellow down. Ige mem ro. Amadi o ho bia wo da o dey janya hu ga emege. Di na nwunye no na in peace. Ko bia ti ga asomda. Nga ke pokwa na akwa na na amagi na eke obi na elotum. Wow. Hey, what's slow motion? Oh, I will am gonna it's a play mood to that.